Outside today is blowing snow, extremely cold. So today we're gonna make some garlic powder. We have 5 different varieties of garlic here that we save for our family after the harvest, and it's starting to sprout. As you can see here, some of it's starting to sprout. So to make some garlic powder, we're gonna use 3 different bowls here. We're gonna use a food processor, and then we also have a dehydrator, and then something to store the garlic in, and that's all you need. So to start, break apart your bulbs, put it in here, and you're gonna shake it, and we're gonna start shaking to get all of the skins off of our cloves so that we can start making some garlic powder. So here we go, shake away. After about 30 seconds of shaking, this is what we got. We finally got the skins off a lot of these cloves. So I'm going to throw them in here. We're going to then put them in here. We're going to go ahead and blend them up. I've got her at 120 degrees, and we're going to let her run for about 2 hours, and then we'll come back and check her. It's been 7 hours of dehydrating garlic at 120 degrees, and it's done. It's dry, it's crunchy in your hands, and it doesn't stick to your hands. And when you peel it off the paper, it comes off in chunks, and it breaks right apart. So we're going to throw this in the blender, grind it up into powder. And there you have it, some absolutely delicious garlic powder. Put in any dish you like to make it super incredibly flavorful. I'm gonna have a spoonful. You guys have a good night.